Today we will be servicing a 2002 smart car. Today we will be changing the oil. The only way to get the oil out is to suck it out with this pump. So now I've connected the pump, and after that's done all this jibbly gobbly, I will take out the dripstick and put this flexi pipe down into there, and hopefully it pumps the oil.
Yeah, well, pull the dipstick out.
How do I put it, like?
Just pull it out. Grab it, pull it out.
Yeah.
And start feeding the pipe in.
Okay. Is that far enough?
No, keep on going until it stops.
Okay. It can keep going.
Yeah, just keep going.
Okay. It's not stopping.
Yeah, we'll try over there.
Okay.
And
Do you want me to hold that in there?
down in there. And press the switch on there, on the back.
This one?
Yeah.
It's supposed to take a while. Now I'm using 27mm socket to take the oil filter out. I'm just gonna keep doing it. Okay. I can see it getting looser. Oh, the whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's not coming off. There's more. Oh. Okay. Wait, you have to move your arms. Alright, now you can get it off. Oh, that way. You could have told me it was that way. You could have told me it was that way. I was pushing it the wrong way.
That oil, Effie, has not been changed in a very long time.
How can you tell?
because how dark it is.
Yeah.
Smells of petrol.
It does. Oh my god, everything down here is so rusty.
Yeah.
Like literally everything.
Look at it. That is. Right. You need to pull our filter out.
The thing inside it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, the one you got is bigger.
What's that?
It
Pull
is?
that. Yeah. Pull it out.
I am.
I do you two on. Hold the bottom. Go all the way down and pull it out.
That's how black the oil is, and that's not good, guys. Either is the oil filter, sorry, that hasn't been changed in, how long would you say? Andy Pandy, how long would you say?
Oh, a long time.
Long time, he says. Apparently that hasn't been changed for a long time because it's really, really black. No, but all the oil's been like that as well. All the oil's been like that.
Yeah.
So now we have to, clean the oil filter and
Housing.
change the
Filter, no.
change the filter.
Did we get the...
Change the filter.
So we...
See, look at that yellow, bright yellow. Hasn't been touched in years. Bright yellow. Hasn't been touched in years.
We put this on, making sure that it goes in the right groove.
And that's from, what's the company? Bosch.
Yeah, Bosch.
Bosch, not Bosch. I apologise. Bosch.
So that's in there.
Look at that bright yellow and look at that like mouldy black. What am I going to do? Put that one back in that one?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do it.
I got to make sure we don't
Oh, okay.
cross thread,
Gotta make sure I don't do it wrong.
which is easy to do on these.
Because it's all about learning, guys. See, it's all about learning. I'm learning. It's all about
Yes.
making mistakes and trying again. Even if it means costing money. So now we've just fitted in the new filter and it's time to put some oil in. Ready?
Yeah.
We'll see. Whoop.
And we make a mess.
As usual, and we will continue to make mess. Right, so now I go dunk it down there, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like it's going to stain my hands. Do a big gulp. Right, does it need more than that?
Yeah.
Okay.
How many did it say?
3.4.
So another one of them.
Okay.
And we'll check it after this.
Okay.
'Cause we don't know if all the oil had come out.
Yeah. Whee!
They needed it. Here we are.
Should we check it? Whee! Blub, 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 blub.
You just stay it on the back of that. Write that down.
Okay. We'll have to have a deep clean after this of the whole car.
Oh,
Well,
definitely.
Go back at the car anyway, because it's going to smell like motor oil.
Yeah.
There you go.
Right. See the dipstick for there now?
Yep. Okay.
Right, do it a couple of seconds now. You know where the dipstick oil point is?
Yep. If I can get it in without my shaky hands. Put it all the way down.
Yeah. Right, pull it out. And where is it on there?
Nothing.
Oh, say another half a quart.
So what's
So
that?
half a jug.
Okay, so that'll be 500.
Yeah.
Let's see where it is.
Ooh, look at that green oil.
I've never seen green oil before.
Yeah.
Wait, what colour is diesel? Just
Blue.
brown. Oh.
Blue.
Is it?
Yeah. Red if it's agricultural.
What's agricultural mean?
You know, tractors and stuff.
Oh, right, okay. What about petrol? I think it's like browny, I think.
Greeny colour.
So like this, but not as green, like as vibrant. Right, do you want me to check again?
Yeah, wipe the stick clean.
Okay. I'll do that one.
And then check it again, and it should come up to the top level of the stick, which is so look.
It's not anyway.
I can't see it. Ugh. Yeah, she's on the money.
Any more?
No, put that dipstick back in.
Okay. Surprisingly, I haven't had shaky hands. Well, I normally have shaky hands when I'm doing stuff like this.
I know.
It's not going in!
There you go.
Ugh, there goes it. Ah! Sorry, it's got my spots.
Yeah, crazy.
I am
Right.
crazy!
Put the top on the oil then.
Okay. No, it's not this. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, you've got it.
Yeah.
Telling me to put the top on when it's behind you. Right, there you go.
And then put that down over there, out the way.
This is the oil we use in case you want to know.
Yes. Not the recommended oil, but this engine has done 81,000 miles.
So it's the one we're using.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Take that out, wipe that down.
Okay. Oh, it's dripping! It's dripping!
Yeah, wipe it out, you go clean them out, see.
I'm not doing no cleaning. Wait. It's gonna get on the car. I was gonna get on the car anyway.
You got it all over the car.
It's gonna get all over the car anyway. Oh, this one smells different from the one that was in there.
Yeah. Right, put that over there then.
Do we hang it up where it was?
No,
Okay.
just put it over there because it all have to be washed out. They'd brake cleaner and stuff. Put the jug over there.
Okay.
So that's got to be cleaned. And then I'll put the cap back on, if you can get it on.
Did you break it? Was it
No,
you?
it looks like it's been on fire, whoever had it before.
God. Wait, yeah?
Yeah, turn it. Is it done tight?
I think so. It's not letting me do it anymore. You check. Always gotta check.
There we are.
There you go.
Just wipe
Big
this
thumbs up.
Oil down.
There you go. We're gonna have a deep clean of the car.
Yeah.
Oh, careful.
So, tell the ladies and gentlemen.
So, if you've liked this video, please like and subscribe to follow the rest of our journey with this smart car. And tune in next week when we do more work. Yeah.